Hi guys, this is Red Mark again. So this is the drawing that I had with that challenge where I was supposed to do the collab. I know I told you guys about that, so it's a little bit of a story behind it. So I did the drawing, the original drawing, and I mailed it to Crization, my boy Crization in India, and somehow it never showed up, so I don't know what happened to it. So then I was supposed to just get the video of when I did the drawing and I guess post that with my half of the drawing. And so recently I deleted some videos from my computer, all the videos that I did, because my computer started running out of room. And that video was downloaded on there, but I figured it was already stored on my GoPro already. So I thought it was on my GoPro. When I had to check my GoPro, I realized that my GoPro automatically deletes the videos once I download them to my computer. I didn't realize it was set like that. So the pictures was gone, and the video of me doing the picture, so I literally had to redo it. So this is the, I guess, the one that I did before wasn't exactly like this because I didn't want to do the exact same thing, but it's basically the same concept. It's a African warrior, and by the way, our topic or the title for the challenge was warrior. So he did a warrior, I did my version of a warrior. I was gonna choose between, it was gonna be either between this or a samurai, and I was like, you know, everybody does samurai, so went ahead and did like a Zulu. And I decided to keep it simple, do like that comic book Conan the Barbarian style ink. You know, I've been using these ink pens recently. I really like the effects, so I wanted to try that. Kept it kind of simple. The last one I did color, watercolors with it. This one, because of the time and the fact that I literally had to redo it, I just went ahead and skipped the whole watercolors step. So this is the result. So this is my half, I guess, of that collab, and Crization should post his half. I know it's supposed to be all in one. Kind of got a little screwed up. I don't know what's going on with, I don't know where that drawing is. Somewhere. Hopefully they returned it to me, but it's been a while, so I don't know. We'll see. All right, so that's my first collab drawing with my boy Crization.